Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. Today we have a really special episode for you. Stick around to the end of the episode. There will be a special offer. There is limited time and limited availability. The quantity is very, very short, and this is a one-of-a-kind opportunity for you. So be prepared. So you have your DC universe, you have your Marvel Comics, you have your Aquaman, you have your Batman, you have your Superman. Yeah, Aquaman sucks, by the way. That's not even here nor there. You have Iron Man. You got all these superheroes. And it's sad to say, we haven't seen a new superhero since Black Panther, which I don't really understand. Here's one you guys are going to understand. We have Adventures of Compressor Guru. This is basically a normal day for the Compressor Guru. Somebody breaks down somewhere near, maybe far, and they're in need. There's not a lot of compressor gurus out there. They're few and far between. They don't know what to do next. What do? They call Compressor Guru. And Compressor Guru realizes that there is a citizen, there's a mechanic, there's a body man, there's a tire man. They're in trouble. And what's he going to do about it? This is a job for Compressor Guru. Whoosh. Am I going to help with that whoosh this time, Val?
Whoosh.
And
look, his whoosh came true.
Yeah, look at all that weight he lost. He's not bad looking that way, is he?
He's a pretty handsome guy, that guru, yeah.
Now, Batman has the Batmobile and the Batcopter, and Superman just flies everywhere, and Aquaman's got a seahorse, which, Aquaman sucks. Anyway, so the Compressor Guru needs a really special, fitting mode of transportation. He's got the compressor bike. Arrgh. This is a typical day in the life of Compressor Guru. The Guru shows up, and it wasn't, oh no, what an emergency. It was something little that somebody thought was a bigger problem, and all it needed was some tender, loving care.
What a caring guy that Compressor Guru is.
And don't you forget it.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, the adulation that the Guru gets on a daily basis, there's no more false modesty, folks. It's just time to accept it. And that's a typical day in the life of the superhero Compressor Guru. Coming soon, you will get the first appearance of Electric Boy, formerly known as Eric, the Electric Guru. But he will be Electric Boy.
Is that like Batman and Robin?
Yeah, just like Batman and Robin. Compressor Guru is taller than Electric Boy. So it's very typical that the superhero towers over the sidekick. And, you know, the sidekick looking at this picture, that's appropriate. That's about how big he is. And you shouldn't really say much care, camera wife, because you're shorter than he is. So
It's hereditary.
I know. Folks, now here's the special offer that I mentioned earlier in the episode. You have the opportunity to buy these comic panels. You don't have to wait for 50 years to find a number one Compressor Guru and pay top dollar for it. You can get it today for a low introductory price of $1,000 a pane. These will not be reproduced. These are original artwork by Donnie Martin of Mexico, Pennsylvania. Mexico, if you try looking it up on a map, and there's a fly on your map, and that fly steps on Mexico, not the fly, but his foot will obliterate the entire town. It's that small. But Donnie Martin was great enough to do volume 1 of Compressor Guru, and we really appreciate Donnie. He's a working guy, but he is striking out on his own as a artist, and be looking for him. He's going to be doing some great things. So if you want to order these at $1,000 a pane, just write your check to the Compressor Guru, and it's $1,000 per pane, and make sure you date the check April 1st, 2023, and put in a memo April Fools, because if you're foolish enough to write me that check, well, some people will just buy anything. So, legal disclaimer: we have no affiliation with DC Comics or Marvel Comics. That Compressor Guru is an independent superhero and is responsible for his own adventures. Thank you. God bless. We'll be back in a year.